Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be making this super light lemon and blueberry pound cake. Now let's bake. Now guys, the ingredients for my pound cake, we have some granulated sugar, butter, eggs, flour, baking powder and salt in that bowl there, some lemon zest, vanilla and freshly squeezed lemon juice. And guys, all the measurement for the ingredients will be listed in the description below. Now guys, for my pound cake we'll be doing the creaming method, and the creaming method is practically butter to sugar, and you're just going to whip that until it's fluffy.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going.
Now it's time to add my eggs, and I'll be doing that one at a time because I don't want my mixture to curdle. Though if you're doing this and your mixture does curdle, I mean your cake will come out just the same. It's just I don't like when my batter is curdled. So yeah, that's just it. But your cake will come out just fine. So now guys, I'll be adding in my flour, but this you definitely don't want to overmix because the gluten in the flour can form elastic gluten strand, and this will result in a more dense and chewy cake, and nobody wants a dense cake. So yeah, just try not to overmix it. Guys, I also went ahead and I add my lemon zest and lemon juice. Now I'll be folding in my berries, and I'll be transferring that to my loaf pan, and I'll bake that at a temperature at 325 degrees for about 45 minutes. Now that our cake is out of the oven and already cool, it's time to begin guys. And this cake was so light, I mean, I don't like a dense cake. I like my cake to be light. This, guys, was a light and fluffy. I really enjoyed this cake, and I know you guys will if you follow my recipe. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe, comment, share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it